The Apple Watch Ultra follows the same design principles that Apple has always had for the watch, with a rectangular shape and rounded edges and corners. But it's on a bigger scale. And Apple also made changes to increase the durability of the Ultra, such as a raised rim around the watch face and the bar to protect the digital crown and side button. The Ultra is available only in a 49mm size. The Ultra is thicker 14.4mm than the Series 8 to 10.7mm in order to carry a bigger battery. At 61.3 grams, the Ultra is more than 10 grams heavier than the heaviest Series 8 with a 45mm stainless steel case. For the first time on an Apple Watch, LTE connectivity is included by default. That immediately sets it apart from many other sports and fitness watches that don't have any cellular option. The Ultra only comes in 149mm case size, which might be too big for some to wear comfortably. Apple Watch Ultra versus Series 8. The Apple Watch Ultra is more rugged and larger than the Series 8, designed for more extreme environments and sports. It is also significantly more expensive though, so you need it. Or is the Series 8 enough? The Apple Watch Ultra and the Watch Series 8 share similarities in their design, but the Watch Ultra is larger and chunkier than the Series 8. Made from titanium, it is designed to be able to withstand more extreme environments. Both the Apple Watch Ultra and the Watch Series 8 offer an always-on Retina display, so there is always some information being shown on the screen, even when your wrist is down, rather than just a black rectangle. The Watch Ultra has a larger display than the Series 8, and it is brighter too. The Apple Watch Ultra and the Watch Series 8 both run on the S8 processor with 64-bit dual-core processor, the W3 chip, and they also both have U1 chip on board too. Key features of Apple Watch Ultra: larger display, more complications. Apple has created a new Wayfinder watch face that's been designed especially for the larger Apple Watch Ultra display. It includes a compass built into the dial and has space for up to 8 complications on screen at the same time. The Wayfinder watch face can also be customized for mountain, ocean, or trail expeditions. Customizable action button. Where previous Apple Watch models have had just 2 physical controls, Apple Watch Ultra has a third on the left side of the screen called the action button, which is colored in international orange and can serve a range of functions. As it's customizable, what the action button does is up to the user. So one push can let you track race segments during a workout, find a way out when using Backtrack, drop a compass waypoint, or start up a dive computer, depending on your needs. Emergency siren. If you ever become lost, injured, or have some other emergency situation and want to draw attention to your location, Apple Watch Ultra includes an 86 decibel siren that can be enabled by holding the action button. Apple says the siren uses a unique sound signature that incorporates 2 distinct alternating patterns, which can repeat for several hours. The first pattern suggests distress, while the second mimics the universally recognized SOS pattern, and the siren can be heard up to 600 feet or 180 meters away. Water temperature sensor and depth gauge. Apple Watch Ultra is certified to EN 13319, which is an internationally recognized standard for dive accessories, including depth gauges. The Apple Watch Ultra even incorporates a depth gauge into a new depth app, which can display time, current depth down to 40 meters, water temperature, duration underwater, and max depth reach. When underwater, the Apple Watch Ultra automatically opens the Depth app, making it quick and easy to get critical information without needing to open it manually. Alternatively, you can assign the Depth app to the action button to launch it when needed. Before we continue to our next part of the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for amazing latest technology information. Gaming. Can you play games on Apple Watches? Yes. While the Apple Watch is a serious piece of equipment, it can also be used to blow off steam with games directly on your wrist for free. Learn how to get games on your Apple Watch and relive the good old days of Nokia's classic Snake game on your watch face. If retro games are not your style, don't worry, there are many exciting games to play on Apple Watch, and many are free. Games you can play on Apple Watch Ultra. Pocket Plants, Love Plant Game, solitaire, trivia crack, snappy word, tiny armies, and many more. Best apps. The best Apple Watch apps keep changing, as new apps keep launching and old ones are updated or improved. And this is testament to how rich the Apple Watch app scene is. Here are a few amazing apps you can use to enhance Apple Watch experience. Gentler Streak, Medications, Chronometer, Watch to 5K, Heart Hive, Water Tracker, Waterful, Tempo, Run and Walk Fitness Log, Heart Analyzer, Strava, Run and Ride Training, etc. The Apple Watch Ultra is a big beast of a smartwatch, and one of the best buys you can make if you're bought into the Apple ecosystem and you want the biggest watch they make. Even if you're not a fitness freak, there's plenty to love about this beautiful, bright smartwatch. Thanks for watching, and let us know your thoughts in the comments about Apple Watch Ultra. Subscribe our channel for more technology-related videos. Goodbye.